Did you know that hormonal imbalances can affect more than just your mood? They can actually disrupt your energy levels and even impact your libido, making you feel tired and less interested in intimacy. Hormonal imbalance is a common issue that affects millions of people worldwide, and its impact on daily life can be devastating, particularly when it comes to energy levels and libido. And our hormones are out of balance, it can affect everything from our mood to our metabolism and even our own relationships. Fatigue is one of the most common symptoms of hormonal imbalance. It's not just about feeling tired, it's about feeling exhausted, drained, and depleted. You wake up in the morning and all you want to do is go back to bed. You have no energy to get through your daily tasks. And even small things like climbing a mountain can feel like climbing a mountain. And to make matters worse, hormonal imbalance can also lead to low libido, making intimacy seem like a chore rather than a pleasure. Hormonal imbalance can also affect your mental health, making you feel anxious, depressed, and irritable. You may experience mood swings, memory problems, and even insomnia. And if that's not enough, it can also affect your physical health, leading to weight gain, acne, and even hair loss. When you're experiencing hormonal imbalance, it can feel like your body is working against you, and it's hard to know where to turn. But the truth is, hormonal imbalance is also the sign of an underlying issue. Once you identify the root cause, you can start taking steps to balance your hormones and regain your energy and libido. Stress is a major contributor to hormonal imbalance. It's not just about feeling stress, it's about the impact that chronic stress has on your adrenal glands. When you're constantly stressed, your adrenal glands produce cortisol, which can disrupt your hormone levels, leading to fatigue, anxiety, and even weight gain. Diet can also play a huge role in hormonal imbalance, particularly when it comes to consuming processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats. These foods can disrupt your blood fat, leading to inflammation, which can affect your hormone levels and even lead to thyroid problems. And let's not forget about lifestyle choices, such as lack of sleep, exercise, and relaxation techniques, which can contribute to hormonal imbalance. Recognizing and addressing hormonal imbalance is key to regaining your energy and libido. Identifying the underlying causes, making simple changes to your diet and lifestyle can start to balance your hormones and feel like yourself again. It's not about adding more things to your list, it's about making small changes that can have a big impact on your overall health and well-being. By taking control of your hormonal health, you can expect to see improvements in your energy levels, libido, and even your overall mood. You'll feel more confident, more energized, and more connected to your body and your partner. The best part is, you don't have to do it alone. With the right guidance and support, you can overcome hormonal imbalance, start living the life that you deserve. In summary, hormonal imbalance is a common issue that affects millions of people worldwide, and its impact on daily life can be devastating. But by recognizing the symptoms, identifying the underlying causes, and making simple changes to your diet and lifestyle, to start to balance your hormones, regain your energy and libido. If you're struggling with hormonal imbalance, we want to hear from you in the comments. Just leave a comment in the comment section sharing your experiences. And if you're interested in learning more about hormonal health, be sure to check out videos on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.